actual silhouette, the presence of the vehicle, has a lot to do with what we believe the young people and the young at heart in India would like to have.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Kia Sonet, made in India for the world, inspired by India's young and passionate culture. Strong, trendy, and a design marvel.
For example, we have a long hood, we have a powerful front, powerful stance, powerful presence in the front. You have the black A-pillars that allows as well for that dynamic silhouette, for the hood to seem longer for such a compact vehicle. We have these generous big volumes. You have really strong volumes over the wheel arches. So you have really compact, powerful, round. In this case, we tried to evolve the tiger nose grille to something a bit more powerful. That's why you have it has this kind of tusk-like feature to it. The headlamps, on every car, they are very important for the character of the vehicle. That's why we designed what we call the Tiger Eye line, so that you have this powerful, concentrated look. Details that we saw traveling to India. Some traditional architecture has some very sophisticated maths into the architecture of it. For example, we saw a step well, that has these beautiful structures that we literally integrated into the design of the Tiger Nose grille. That's why we have the wraparound glass that really gives the car a lot of width. And that's why the signature of the tail lamps, similar to the front, has a very continuous feature to it that really gives it a lot of width. Life inside the vehicle has to be very natural, has to be very intuitive. And at the same time, you have to have a strong emotional connection to the vehicle. You live with it every day. And today, the digital aspect is very important. So that's why we designed a digital cluster, as well as a central display that may be one of the biggest in this segment. We also believe, and especially for India, climate inside, the temperature inside, the airflow inside is very, very important. That's why we have these big kind of double layer vents that allows really for ultimate comfort.
Which really resonates with me, and I would take that as a solid inspiration. It just gives the wow factor to the car, which I think resonates with my brand a lot. We believe in having that wow factor, and that's what I think I can connect a lot with.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure talking to you, Nikhil.
Thank you, Anga. Thanks for having me.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
So we spoke extensively about the style, design, and the beauty of the Sonet. The Sonet is much more than just that.
25-inch AV&T, intelligent manual transmission, and an air purification system that is the world first, just to mention a few. Bose sound system, ventilated front seats, very intelligent luggage compartment configuration.
All right, you've all seen what goes into the making of a wild car. Now let's go to where it all begins, to see the magic happen, to the hub of all the action, where the Kia Sonet comes to life. Let's go straight to Anandpur plant in Andhra Pradesh to meet the man at the center of it all, Mr. Kuk Hyun Shim, MD and CEO at Kia Motors India.
An annual capacity of more than 3 lakh units is spread across 536 acres and providing employment to more than 20,000 people. We have invested over $2 billion in our manufacturing plant, and it is an environment-friendly facility with zero emission and 100% water recycling carried out within. In less only 1 year of starting sales of its first product, Seltos, Kia Motors India has established itself as India's third biggest automobile brand. Seltos has taken the Indian market by storm, driving Kia Motors India to become the connected car leader. With more than 50,000 connected cars on Indian roads today, as mentioned by Mr. Song, Kia Motors has been #1 in United States in quality for 6 years in a row, as for J.D. Power IQS study. And we are committed to provide the same global quality standards with the Sonet, just like the Seltos and the Carnival.
I welcome Mr. TJ Park, Executive Director and Chief Sales Officer, and Mr. Manohar Bhatt, Vice President and Head Marketing and Sales, Kia Motors India. Welcome. Firstly, congratulations, gentlemen, on the world premiere of the Sonet. I cannot say this enough, but I'm totally wowed by the Sonet. Kia truly does have the power to most pleasantly surprise us with amazing range of cars being launched.
The Sonet will be presented with two petrol engine options, the refined Smart Steam 1.2 petrol engine and the performance-oriented 1-liter turbo GDI. It will also come with a powerful yet fuel-efficient 1.5-liter diesel engine that will swallow kilometers effortlessly. Among the gearbox options, the Sonet will feature a 5-speed manual, a 6-speed manual, a 6-speed automatic, and a 7-speed DCT. We are also extremely excited about something very new, a new 6-speed IMT. Intelligent manual transmission is an innovative gearbox that takes away the stress of driving, yet keeps the control in the driver's hands. There is no clutch pedal, so it relieves the effort and tedium in stop-go traffic. However, since the gear shift is being done manually, it gives the driver the control for that required reassurance. Now, combined with a gasoline 1-liter turbo GDI motor, it fulfills the need of auto enthusiasts like you, as well as those seeking just a comfortable.
GT line is visible manifestations of Kia's sporty spirit and luxury appeals. The GT line Sonet will have sporty red accent on the exterior, red accent on front and rear bumper, red calipers, and the GT line badging to confirm the Sonet aggressions. Talking about the interior, the all-black trim with the red stitching in select areas give the cabin a sporty feel, and the alloy pedals further reinforce its sportiness.
The Pure Air purifier with the virus protection and the segment-best 10.25-inch HD AVNT touchscreen. Additionally, the Sonet also offers remote engine start convenience even in the manual transmission. It has front parking sensors, a Bose premium 7-speaker system for an exceptional listening experience, and UO connected car features with 57 functions for safety, comfort, and joy, with enhanced capabilities like over-the-air updates, voice-assisted window open function, among other things.
That's over 1 lakh loving homes across India, and the Kia family is still growing rapidly.